Envirotech Drilling Services has always been driven to provide the highest value field service experience to our clients in the environmental consulting industry. Over the past 10 years, we have built a track record of getting our clients' field projects done on time, on budget, and without safety incidents. That is how we were able to grow Envirotech Drilling to 9 drilling crews in 2 offices in Houston and San Antonio. Envirotech's experienced project managers can help you determine which drilling method is best suited for your need based on the site lithology and depth required in your drilling work plan. In general, direct push drilling, also called geoprobe, is the most efficient way to determine the absence or presence of a constituent of concern in the soil or groundwater for Phase 2 site assessments. Envirotech has the equipment and experienced field personnel required to get your project done. For more information, visit their website, envirotech-services.com.